Mommy and Daddy's socks. What are you doing? You're playing with the socks. You're a sock monster. Boom. Peekaboo. Should I see? What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you. All right, can Mommy have the socks back now, please? Can I have them back now? Thank you. You're beautiful. But you have to stop playing with Mommy and Daddy's socks. Bye.